In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your leather purse safely and effectively. Leather purses are elegant, durable, and timeless. But over time, they can collect dirt, oils, and stains from everyday use. With the proper cleaning method, you can preserve the beauty and longevity of your leather bag without causing damage. Let's get started. Begin by emptying your leather purse completely. Check all pockets, remove any liners or organizers, and shake out crumbs or debris. This allows for easier and more thorough cleaning inside and out. Use a dry, soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the surface of the purse, removing dust and loose dirt. Don't forget to clean seams, straps, and folds where buildup tends to collect. Before using any cleaner, test it on a small, hidden area of the purse to make sure it doesn't discolor or damage the leather. Wait a few minutes to check for any reaction. Mix a small amount of mild liquid soap, like baby shampoo or a leather-safe cleanser, with lukewarm water. Dampen a soft cloth with the solution. Do not soak it, and gently wipe the leather in circular motions. Focus on stained or worn areas, but avoid over-wetting the leather. Dampen a second cloth with plain water and go over the purse again to remove any soap residue. Be careful not to use too much water, as excess moisture can damage leather. Pat the purse gently with a dry towel to remove excess moisture. Then allow it to air dry completely at room temperature, away from direct sunlight or heat sources that could dry out or warp the leather. Once the purse is completely dry, apply a small amount of leather conditioner using a clean cloth. Rub it in gently using circular motions. Conditioning helps keep the leather soft, supple, and protected from cracking. If your purse has a fabric interior, use a handheld vacuum or lint roller to remove dirt and crumbs. For leather linings, wipe gently with a damp cloth and let air dry. Always spot test cleaners on interior fabric before applying them more broadly. For oil stains, sprinkle a small amount of cornstarch or baking soda on the area and let it sit overnight to absorb the grease. Brush it off gently the next day. For ink stains or dye transfer, use a leather-specific cleaner or consult a professional if unsure. Store your purse in a dust bag when not in use. Keep it stuffed with tissue or soft items to maintain its shape. Avoid overfilling, which can stretch the leather, and regularly wipe it down to prevent buildup. By following these simple steps, your leather purse will stay clean, soft, and stylish for years to come. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and share your favorite leather care tricks in the comments below. Happy cleaning!